Welcome to Kindwell Solutions, a trusted Microsoft business partner, delivering advanced analytics and AI solutions. In this video, we will explore Microsoft Fabric's powerful feature, Restore Point. Let's understand Restore Point Microsoft Fabric. It captures a snapshot of your lakehouse, warehouse, or KQL database at any point in time. This helps recover data to an earlier safe state, minimizing risks of accidental deletions or errors. Why should you use Restore Points? It's simple. For fast data recovery, smoother data management, safer testing environments, uninterrupted business continuity, and optimized performance, especially for large datasets. Using Restore Point is easy. Start by creating or using an existing warehouse, insert sample data, create a Restore Point, simulate a deletion, restore your data, and finally, verify everything is back to normal. Once you log in to Microsoft Fabric, this is the home interface you'll see. From here, you can create new workspaces, explore analytics and machine learning templates, and access tutorials like building a lakehouse or warehouse. The left panel helps you navigate across Fabric features, while quick access at the bottom makes it easy to find your recent work. This is the starting point for all your Fabric projects. In next step, select the warehouse you want to work with, and then choose the specific table inside it. Here, for example, we have selected the Sample Products table, which shows a data preview with product details. Once your table is selected, go to the Settings menu to proceed with further configuration or management options. In this step, we are working with Restore Points inside Microsoft Fabric Warehouse. From the Settings menu, select Restore Points. Here, you can either create a new Restore Point or choose from existing ones, whether system-generated or manually created. Once you select the appropriate Restore Point, click on the three dots menu and then choose Restore to bring your warehouse back to that saved state. To sum up, Restore Points offer quick recovery, minimal downtime, eliminate backup headaches, and ensure safe, efficient data management within Microsoft Fabric. Thank you for watching the video. At Kindwell Solutions, we specialize in helping organizations harness the full potential of Microsoft Fabric. Our team of experts provides comprehensive services, from strategic planning and implementation to ongoing support and optimization. Stay tuned with Kindwell Solutions on our LinkedIn and YouTube channel for upcoming use cases on MS Fabric and other data and AI use cases. Happy learning!